I want to show you guys how I actually keep my hair healthy throughout the week. So I actually wash my hair once a week. I try to do it either Saturday or Sunday, and then I will keep my hair in um in hair bands throughout the week. But I'm very gentle with my hair, and when I'm removing my hair bands, I like to make sure that my hair doesn't rip. So if you can see how gentle I am and how careful I am when I remove the hair bands from my hair, I'm very careful that I don't just pull my hair out. Then I would comb my hair. Even though I washed my hair at this point 3 days ago, I moisturize my hair daily. So if you can see, my hair is actually not shedding as much. Um, so what I do, my process is I start with some cream and I put some cream on my hair. And today I'm going to be using shea butter. I'm trying it out. It's my first time trying it out, and my hair actually likes it. Actually likes the shea butter, and it helps keep my hair moisturized. And then on top of the shea butter, I'm gonna be putting on some jojoba oil. And if you can see, when I put the jojoba oil, I just massage it into my hair. I'm very careful. It makes it easy to get the hair to go through. And when I comb my hair, if you can see, it actually slides off a little bit easier because the oil for me makes it slide off a little bit easier. If I ended with the cream and started with the oil, I noticed that when I comb my hair, I leave a lot of the cream on my hair. But when I use the oil afterwards, actually, there's less cream that gets on my brush. I actually rarely ever get any of the cream on my brush, and I like to get my full money worth of the product. But if you can see, my hair is actually looking very healthy. It's not falling out as much, and I'm happy with this hair care routine. Ever since I started doing this, it just becomes easier to manage my hair, and I like the final look. This is like my normal look on a daily basis when I don't want to plait my hair, when I don't want to do anything to my hair. This is normally what I'll do because now my hair is moisturized. And you can see by the way I can get the bun in there. My hair remains like this. And then at night when I sleep, I just tie it in my bands just to stretch it out and keep it stretched. But there's very little hair loss and shedding. Like, comment, and subscribe.